Hey guys, hello. I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to unbox this package. So you guys can see in front of me. So I don't actually know what's inside this package, and I can see here my address is written and it was sent. Actually, the name isn't mentioned here, but it is actually the USPS mail service has sent me this. I mean delivered this to me, and I got the call from post office because all stuffs that come from the outside countries like US always delivers to my post office. So I got this. So let's open this because you can see here the total cost of this 19 Jan 2021. So it was sent on 19 Jan. $30.37. Okay, let's open this. Actually, always tears up thing. So I am actually not taking any precautions this time. Just tearing it off. I don't actually need the paper. So let me just pull it off. Yeah, too much sticky, man. I think I need a knife. Oh yeah, I can open it. I don't need a knife. Yeah. So yeah, this looks really cool. Ah, this is a Veeam t-shirt from Amazon AWS Reinvent t-shirt actually. So they are also a cloud service provider. So if you still haven't heard about the Veeam, you can search it on Google and wait for the next video. I'm going to post a new video very soon, so wait for it. And bye. Thank you Veeam for amazing t-shirt.